There are 4 view modes in Apple Maps: Explore, Driving, Transit, and Satellite. As we switch between these, notice that the icon on the button changes to reflect which mode we're in. Explore is good for viewing what businesses and landmarks are in the area currently being viewed on the map. Switch to Driving, and current traffic conditions are overlaid on the map, and more street names become visible. If we move to a larger city like Chicago, the difference between the Explore and Driving modes is clearer. Switch to Transit mode, and in areas that have public transit, those routes are accentuated with streets and highways fading into the background. Transit stops are also made very obvious. Tap on one to view a current schedule and more information. The satellite map provides a high-resolution aerial view. Notice that we can turn on or off place labels and traffic conditions on the satellite map. Turning off labels can really clean up the map. In most cities, a 3D button will become available as we zoom in. This is available in all 4 view modes. This can be a great way to get a better perspective on a certain area with the extruded buildings and landmarks. Tap the 2D button to return to the directly overhead view. Even if the 3D button isn't presented, we can still view the map in 3D with a simple swipe up with 2 fingers. Drag up and down to adjust how much the map is tilted. This can be a good way to virtually drive down a street or an entire route before actually doing it. This 2-finger swipe up gesture will enable 3D in any view mode in any location.